Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making lamb chops. Lamb chops are incredibly delicious, and today we're going to make them with a Moroccan-inspired dry rub. Let's take a look what we need to make it, alright? To make my lamb chops with Moroccan-inspired dry rub, we're going to need about 350 grams of lamb loin chops. We're going to need salt, pepper, garlic, coriander, cumin, turmeric, paprika, basil, and mint. We're going to broil the lamb chops, so it's best if you have a broiling pan. A broiling pan is a 2-layer pan that allows the juices from the meat to drip from the upper layer down to the lower layer. If you don't have one, that's okay, it's just better if you do. Start by making your dry rub. To a bowl or ramekin, add salt, pepper, garlic, coriander, cumin, turmeric, paprika, basil, and mint. Mix it all together. Pat your lamb chops dry so there's less juice sitting on the meat itself. And rub your seasoning onto the lamb chops, focusing on the 2 flat sides. Add your broiling pan into your broiler and preheat on high for 15 minutes. Now that the broiler and broiling pan have preheated, add your lamb chops onto the broiling pan for 3 to 4 minutes per side, depending on desired doneness. And just like that, they're ready to serve. Today I'm serving my lamb chops with butter glazed carrots and a cucumber and tomato salad. And there you have it! Lamb chops in a Moroccan-style dry rub. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy for my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.